In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saw on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DCS391. The DeWalt DCS391 165mm circular saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for efficient and precise cutting. It features a 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade and operates on a 5,150 RPM motor, offering a bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees. The saw is built with a lightweight yet durable magnesium shoe, making it suitable for a range of cutting applications. Its ergonomic design, rubber grip, and ultra-thin kerf blade ensure user comfort, efficient runtime, and a fast, smooth finish. The tool's keyless bevel angle and depth of cut adjustment, along with its intelligent trigger and safety features, provide total control and enhanced work safety. The saw's durable design, spindle lock for quick blade changes, and precise adjustment systems make it a reliable and accurate cutting solution. With specifications such as a brushed motor, 20V battery power source, and a weight of 2.9 kilograms, the circular saw is suitable for home DIY use and is designed for wood-cutting applications. The DeWalt DCS391/DCS391N is a CE and FCC certified product, originating from mainland China, and is a part of the renowned DeWalt brand. Number 2. Yofidra Circular Saw. The Yofidra 7-inch brushless circular saw is a versatile power tool designed for woodworking tasks, powered by a brushless motor capable of reaching a maximum speed of 10800 RPM. With a cutting angle range of 0 degrees to 45 degrees, it offers flexibility for multi-angle cutting. The saw can cut materials such as solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, wood, and ceramic tiles. It features a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth, a comfortable soft rubber handle for better control and reduced hand fatigue, and a semicircular protective cover for safety. The saw is designed for use with 18V Makita batteries, compatible with various models but not compatible with G-series or NACD batteries. The package includes the circular saw, 3 saw blades, and 2 accessories. The product is suitable for home DIY projects and comes with CE certification. Number 3. Woodworking Circular Saw. The 18V brushless circular saw offered by XMSJ is a versatile cutting tool suitable for various materials like solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, wood, and ceramic tiles. It features adjustable bevel cutting angles from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, ensuring multi-angle cutting capabilities. The saw is equipped with a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth, a comfortable soft rubber handle for better control and reduced hand fatigue, and a semicircular protective cover for safety from dust and wood chips. The manual control switch and lock button ensure safe operation, while the lightweight design allows for easy one-handed use. Powered by a brushless motor, it guarantees efficient machine life. The specifications include a blade diameter of 125 mm, cutting depth of 45 mm, and a blade working speed of 10800 RPM. It is compatible with 18V Makita B-series lithium batteries and comes with various packing options. With a weight of 4 kilograms, the circular saw is customized for home DIY use and boasts CE certification. Number 4. BOSCH GKS Circular Saw. The BOSCH GKS 18V57 Professional is a robust cordless circular saw designed for powerful and efficient cutting, with a maximum cutting capacity of 57 mm. It features a fast motor brake for increased user protection and is built with a sturdy design including a steel baseplate and die-cast aluminum lower guard. With a no-load speed of 3,400 RPM and a 165mm saw blade diameter, this saw is suitable for a wide range of applications, particularly on construction sites or where high sawing forces are required. The saw is compatible with all Bosch Professional 18V batteries and chargers and includes features such as an LED light, air blower, dust port connector, soft start, and spindle lock. Weighing 4 kilograms and equipped with additional accessories, this cordless circular saw is a versatile and powerful tool for woodworking professionals. Number 5. 5-inch brushless circular saw. The 125mm 5-inch cordless brushless circular saw is a versatile cutting tool suitable for a variety of materials including solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, wood, and ceramic tiles. With a brushless motor and adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, it offers efficient and precise cutting capabilities. The saw features a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth, a soft rubber handle for comfortable and controlled operation, and a semicircular protective cover for safety. Additionally, it can be connected to a vacuum cleaner for dust-free cutting and is compatible with 18V Makita batteries. The package includes the circular saw and 3 saw blades, but does not include the battery. With a lightweight design and manual control switch for safety, this circular saw is ideal for home DIY use, weighing 2.13 kilograms and offering a maximum cutting depth of 45 millimeters.